Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create aggressive shock effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, just going to add the the photo to the track, but I'm going to transport the image duration in 2 seconds. Okay, add to the track again and copy paste. And for the second clip, I'm going to mirror and select the clips, copy paste, show light until some part. Here we go. I'm going to add the transition. Just select the shape transition and change body duration in the 1 second and apply it to all the clip and go to effect and select the nightclub. You can find the shack effect. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to select the shack effect. Just download it and after done, add to the track and adjust for the duration in the same length with the video. And to make it hard, so just select on strength and 100 and then change for the option right here. We go. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.